Good morning, another day, another vlog naman tayo mga kasari dito sa ating munting tindahan. So, kumusta po ang lahat? So, for today's video guys, ito po yung aking nakaganap. So, ayan, ay naglinis, ang puting-ting sa ating tindahan, as usual, ganun po naman ang ating ginagawa. So, ayan, salamat na naman sa panibagong araw. So, for today's video guys, ayan, keep on watching po ano yung ganap. Naging inis-inis tayo. Nag-order nga po tayo ng Coke na 8 ounce at saka 1.5. Po ay ito na lang yung aking mga paninda guys. Ayan. Ayan. Yung aking tindahan po ngayon ay dumaan po ng medyo maganda ang takbo mga kasari. Kaya ang dami po nating mga bungi-bungi, kulang-kulang. So kailangan natin mag-replenish pero nga po ako guys pag naisip yan. So ayan, kasi may mga bagay po na minsan talaga mahirap ipaliwanag. So ayun, kaya kung sakaling hindi na po tayo makapag-vlog about sari-sari store, so ayan, yan na po yan. So ayan, bali unti-unti ko na lang po siyang mga paubusin siguro. Kapag-decide na po ako for this month na lang po ang ating tindahan, February. So nga pala guys, shout out to Bishi Mama M. Kumusta kayo mga Bishi Mama M? Mapapanood mo tong video na to at kumusta po kayo at saka sa iyong pamilya. Maraming salamat po talaga. Salamat po sa mga taong tumulong sa akin, sa aming magnanay since na nag-YouTube po ako. Thank you po sa inyo. Napakarami nyo. All of you, sa lot of people who helped me, who send me a blessings for them and all over the country. Thank you so much guys. Even if we meet only in the social media, I really appreciate to all of you, especially those people who share their blessings. Search A, Adi Bishi Mami M, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know my say thank you is not enough, but yes, I really say thank you. I really appreciate that. I always remember that one in my heart. Bishi Mami M, happy birthday, because her birthday is February, so I didn't say exact. I think February 14, no? Happy birthday and happy Valentine's also, and stay healthy and beauty. Bishi Mami M, thank you so much a lot. Thank you very much. And also Atishawi all the way in New Zealand. So if I think that I didn't continue my sari-sari store, I don't know what's God's plan, but in my mind that's my plan to stop the sari-sari store. And because guys, there have a lot of struggles and so, but I don't know what's the plan, but that's my plan. And yes, thank you so much guys, thank you everyone. But I do vlog, I don't know what kind of vlog, so thank you very much guys to all sari-sari store, go sari-sari store. Thank you so much for your share your talent, share your what call this one, to share your ideas how to be a sari-sari store. So, and I'm so thankful for my sari-sari store. Thank you Lord, thank you for the grace, because even like this, my situation in my store, not like the other, that the 3 months is already bloomed already and everything, because we are different ways how to handle and different also blessings that we receive. So thank you, I'm so thankful to the Lord, because nag-English na wala tayo. I'm so thankful to the Lord because of this my sari-sari store. We survive a lot. Not much like the other people, the others go sari-sari store, but in our daily needs, it's very big help to us, to my kids, to us, and everything. But sometimes, I don't know, but in my plan, that's my thank you Lord for trusting me this sari-sari store almost 5 years, no? 5 years po akong nagsari-sari store, and all of that. I'm so thankful and grateful. Thank you. And yes, thank you again. Happy birthday to Bishima M all the way in US. Thank you so much, Bishima M. So all people who support me in this channel, thank you so much, guys. A lot, no, I always appreciate people who help me with the WH since we start in YouTube. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate that one. Thank you, Lord, that those people used sa mga taong ginamit ng Lord. Kaya salamat po sa inyo na may bumubuhos po sa inyo ng pagpapala na walang sukat na masisigla, na walang pagaya po ng batis na hindi natutuyaan. Kaya sobrang salamat po. Yan. Hindi ko kayo na-mention palagi sa aking mga vlog, pero hindi ko po kayo nakakalimutan. Sa aking puso. Thank you po. Nakaka-amis lang din sa Lord talaga pag umala. So, ayun lang, guys. Hindi ko pa sure, basta yun po yung nasa isip ko. Hindi ko po alam yung plano ng Lord kasi iba po ang plano ng Lord kaysa plano ng mga tao. So, ayan. Ang araw nga po ay Sabado nga po yun. Nakapamili nga tayo ng mga chichirya. So, marami na po akong kulang-kulang. Wala akong sabon na powder, guys. Mag-order sana ako sa grocery, pero parang nag-alangan ako. Pero ngayon, nag-order ako ng soft drinks na 8 ounce. So, ayan. Mahirap po ipaliwanag, mga kasari. Bakit? So, sa akin na lang po yun. Ayan. So, guys, tapos na tayo na kuha ng itlog. Pabili na tayo at saka sigarilyo. Gupit na tayo at inaantay ko yung delivery natin for today's video. Gupit na tayo ng ilang peraso para mabilisan.
Pabili po. Mastika nga.
Thank you. May bago na naman tayo. 100. Pangatlo ko na to. Nabibigang talaga ng bagong 100. Parang na-miss lang ang inyong tindara. Pala kay Mami Henrietta Solidad. Tsaka yung channel, guys. Yan, support ko po siya. Mami Henrietta, lagi po yan nagsubaybay sa atin. Kahit na ay nasa Australia siya. Thank you, Mami Henrietta. Kami ay nagkita na kami niyan in person dito sa Philippines. No, shout out po Ate Jeneline, and Mami Henrietta. You can subscribe her channel also, guys, and you can join her live also. Ayan. Five. Okay. Thank you. Guys, ngayon guys, dumating yung ating delivery. Isang case lang naman na 8 ounce and at saka 1.5. Ayan. Guys, unti-unti lang ako guys, tapos na natin na ilagay. Dalawa na lang yung ating kasama. Sa ating ganap for today's video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Thank you so much guys sa mga sumusuporta sa ating mga video, sa ating mga vlog. Thank you so much po. So kung bago po kayo sa aking channel, please do subscribe. Hit nyo na din yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga video. Kahit na po ay kung sakaling hindi na tayo magtindahan, ay supportahan nyo pa rin po ang aking channel. And then, maraming salamat. Again, happy birthday to Bishi Mama M all the way in US. And shout out Mami Linyareta, Solidad. Yan po. And Bishi Mama M, God bless po. And more birthdays to come in your life. So, ayan, more blessings to come in your life and all whole family. No? Thank you so much and God bless. See you in my next vlog. And don't forget, don't skip the ads. Thank you and follow for more and subscribe for more. Bye. God bless everyone.